So ma'am will do a quick recap and then we'll start where we left. Okay.
I don't know how I will be able to do it because the template you gave, I don't have it. Somehow I lost it, so I won't be able to do it. Because somehow I lost the template I was working on.
Yeah, no problem. So you can maybe redo it. I will share the template and ma'am will do a quick recap. So you can maybe do it again. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So very good afternoon, everybody, and very happy Independence Day to all of you. Okay. Let me share my screen. All right. Then first we'll see what we have to do, right? I'll run that once again and you'll get the idea. Okay.
Okay, I have shared the template in the chat box. You can check that.
Yes, sir. I opened it up. It's all gone, everything.
Yeah, because that is empty. So you will need to put it again.
Yeah.
My star and everything. I have to do it. Wizard.
All right. So I hope it is visible to you.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yes, so, okay. So let's start and let's see. Is there anything new we have added here? Okay. So I have clicked on the flag. Let's see. Oh, there is some instructions. Control the wizard with arrow keys and get a surprise. All right. So that was something new, right? That was not there yesterday. So we are going to add that background as well. Fine. I'll tell you how we can create that kind of background.
Ma'am, I know how we create these cover pages.
Very good. Okay. If you know, then that's fine. If you don't know, then you can learn. All right. So now what I was doing, I was controlling this wizard with arrow keys, right? So let's see. All right. Okay, so this is what we are going to create, right? So now let's see what all we have done so far. So we have coded for the wizard, I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yeah. So we have coded for the wizard. All right. So just understand. So we are controlling the wizard with arrow keys, right, left, up, down. Okay. And we are duplicating actually this conditional part again and again. Right? We are using it again and again for 4 arrow keys. So 4 times we are using this if conditional block. Okay. And this you will be getting, this conditional block actually you will be getting in sensing. So if touching, right? No, not touching, sorry. If we are controlling. So we are controlling with the keys, right? So here is the key. I'll make it bigger. Okay. So here is the key space press. But since we are using up, down, right, left arrow keys, so you need to just use this drop down button and up, down, right, left, one by one. You will be using it with the conditional block. Okay, any doubts here? I hope this is fine because yesterday also we did it twice and thrice. Yeah?
I'm just taking a screenshot again so that I remember.
Okay, all right. All right, so let's move forward, shall we? Okay, so we are going to code for the star now.
Ma'am?
Right? Yes?
Ma'am, the starfish is not showing in my system.
Star sprite is not there in your system.
Yes.
Ma'am, that is also here because the whole thing got deleted after somehow. So the star sprites and all is not there. You'll have to add it and do the code all again.
Okay, okay. So that you will be getting in this sprite section. All right, so in the sprite section, you can get the star. Once again, I'll show you how we can get. You can simply type in there, STAR, star. So here is the star, right? And at the same time, you can click on starfish also, because I was using star and starfish. Okay, the star, when the wizard was touching the star, it was turning into starfish. Fine. So at the same time, you can click on both. But yes, if you click on both, what will happen? You will be getting two different sprites, right? So be careful. You need to go in the star, right? Then in costumes. And then if you will pick from here, you will get other costume of the star. Understood? Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, Nibodita, you are saying something.
Miss, when the wizard is, I am controlling it. So when I am touching the arrow key up, so it's 1 second. It's going up, and when I am touching the right key, then it's going down.
Okay, so with the down arrow key, what have you written? With down arrow key, what is the block you have used? Change X by or Y by, what have you used?
Y by -10.
So with down arrow key, it will go Y by -10. Now what I think the problem might be, you might have used this if inside this if. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so that you need to be careful. All the if conditionals are independent. Okay? Right? They are not dependent on each other. Okay, so just be careful. All the if part will come one below the other. Getting, Nibodita?
My also like yours only.
Just check your conditional part one by one, or you can do one by one. See, this is the condition, right? For up arrow, this
Yes.
is fine. Okay,
Yes.
then for down arrow, what you can do, you can simply use this and put it below this if condition.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
and then similarly for right arrow, below this if condition. Okay, for left arrow as well. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, so let's go forward. Right, so I hope this wizard has no problem now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
And now can you go to the star code so I
Yes,
can?
yes. Of course. We'll do step by step. Okay, so now we are in star, right? So in star, see, you notice what was happening. The wizard was touching the star. The star was, what was happening with the star? The star was again going to random position. Whenever I click on the flag, you will see the star at the different position. Okay. So just below the flag, you have to use show block, because in between we are hiding also. So make sure that when we are clicking on the flag, it should be showing. Okay. And then switch costume to star. Fine. Because initially we want the costume as star only, not starfish. Fine. Then inside forever, we need to check the condition if it is, because always you can see that star is twinkling. Okay. So we want different color effects for the star. So that's why we are using this change color effect. This you will be getting in looks. Then we are checking the condition, if the wizard is touching or not. Right? So if the
Ma'am,
wizard,
can you go to the most up part?
up part is nothing here. It's only show, switch costume to star, and go to random position. So that whenever we click on the flag, we'll start the game, right? We find the star at different locations. That's why we are using go to random position. Okay.
Still I
Mm-hmm.
give me some time and stay there only.
Okay, do it fast, dear, because we need to finish this today. Okay, we are not going to continue it tomorrow. All right, we need to finish it.
Okay.
Yeah, so just be quick. Hurry up. All right.
One more question.
Yes, Nibodita.
Ma'am, how when the wizard was touching the star, it was changing into bunny. So I didn't understand which block you have taken.
Okay, okay, all right. See, it's up to you, right? It's up to you whether you want to change it in bunny, if you want to change it in starfish or any other character, right? Bunny actually is not there here in Scratch. So we have to get it from outside from internet. Starfish is easily available. Or if you want something else, you can use that also.
But miss, when I am taking switch costume to, so there it is showing star. And
Only
when
star.
I'm clicking on it, so it's not showing starfish.
Starfish. Yeah, that's what I told you. No, we need to get one more costume. So let's do one thing. Let's go to costume. Okay, click on this tab, and what is there? You will find only one star.
Yes.
Do you? Yes.
Yes.
So what you need to do, below this there is one icon, the cat icon. Yeah.
1 second.
There is one cat icon.
Yes.
Right. So click on that, and whatever you want, you can pick.
Okay.
Okay. Just find something small character, something smaller in size.
Okay.
Okay. You can get any butterfly. You can get anything, but it should be small.
Yeah,
All right.
there is one crystal, so I can use that.
Definitely. Yeah. Why not? Crystal also.
Yes.
Right,
Now,
that's the fun of, Scratch. You can get any sprite, whatever you want to. All right, so just click on that. You will get another costume of that star.
Okay.
Okay, you got that?
Yes.
Very good. Now, let's go back to,
Ma'am, can you go back here?
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah, welcome. So if touching wizard, then you can use that switch costume too. And whatever you have picked crystal, so you will get crystal as option. Yes, Annie?
Ma'am, could you show the wizard's code?
Wizard code, what's wrong with wizard code? What's the problem? Tell me the issue.
When I'm pressing the left arrow, it's not going left.
Okay, so what block you have used? Change. Which block you have used with left arrow key? Just use change x by -10. In motion, you will be getting change x by -10. All right, Annie? Okay, so I hope the star is done.
1 second, ma'am. I'm almost done.
1 second is over.
Yeah, ma'am, you can do.
Shall we move? Yes, rest of
Yes.
you, are
Yes,
you doing?
ma'am.
Okay, so who is this?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this is Trejal mom. Yesterday also he has taken the class, but due to the network issue, we were unable to connect.
Okay, okay, all right.
Just now we have connected. So he is asking to share the codes of the flag and what you have asked him to do today.
Okay, so what he has done so far, just let me know, please. Has he coded for the wizard?
So far he has made the yes, code for the wizard. आपने लगा लिया था ना? Yes, wizard he had done yesterday.
Okay, very good. So
and
we are on star
starfish
only.
also he has done.
Okay, star also, all the stars.
So this flag, and what about the flag?
Yeah,
Flag,
so
flag.
flag is still remaining. Yeah, flag is still remaining. Okay, I'm waiting for rest of the kids so that they will finish this match.
Ma'am, 1 second. Now I'm almost. Can you go to the second star so I can fix something?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, just let me know this flower. This star is done.
Ma'am, there is only one problem with me.
Okay, yeah. Is this Rayan?
Yes, yes.
Yes, tell me, dear.
When the rabbit is very big and the star is very small.
Yeah, so that's what we need to adjust the size. That's what I told you, yesterday also. So in costume part, when you go to, if you have taken rabbit, since I have taken the starfish, so what you can do, just below, this is the canvas. This is called canvas. Just below the canvas, there is one is equal to sign. If you click on that, right, then it will be easier for you to adjust the size. Okay, just select that sprite, whatever you have taken, and you can make it bigger or smaller. Getting? Okay, this is how you can drag and make it bigger or smaller, however you want to make.
Ma'am,
All right, hello, Ryan.
Yes, problem.
Okay.
hello,
All right. Yes, who is this?
ma'am Joshita.
Yeah, Joshita, tell me.
Where we get flag?
Tag is there in the chat box here. In the chat box, flag template is there. You can click on that. Fine.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
I hope you received. Okay. All right. So we are moving forward because we need to finish also. So this is the code for the first star, right? And what we need to do, we can just, okay, mute yourself, please. Mute yourself.
This link is not opening.
Click on that link. It will open here.
Ma'am, I have tried it so many times. Yesterday also I have tried.
So Nibodita, there might be some problem. What you can do is you can copy the link. If it is not clickable, you can copy it. Okay. You can right click and copy it and then go to the browser, Chrome browser, and you can paste it in the address bar and then press enter.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So we are done with first star. And as I told you that there will be multiple stars, right? So instead of coding for all the stars one by one, what we can do, we can simply duplicate this star. Right click, duplicate it. Okay, so you will be getting another star, the same star, and the code will also be copied, right? The one change what we are going to do with all the stars, all the stars should be twinkling with different colors. Okay, different colors should be there. So what we can do, like this star, I have used change color effect, this block, right? The value is different. So here I have used 10. Okay, so other one we have used 50. Okay, so there should be a variation between the values with what we have taken with change color effect. All right. Then the next one is change color effect by 70. Getting? Okay.
Yes.
And the last star. So far you have done for all the stars, right? Only one.
Wait, ma'am, can you go back to the third one? I've not seen the third one.
Dear, it's same. Everything is same. Just one thing which is remaining, which is different is the change color effect by, that value is different. Otherwise, rest of the things are same for all the stars.
Ma'am, the third star would be 50, right?
It can be 50,
It's up
can
to
be
you,
70.
Vivan. You can use any value. It is up to you. You try to use any value and see what color you are getting. If you are not satisfied, you can change the value again and see. It is up to your imagination.
All right, so you can play around with the values and see whichever you want. Okay, Vivan, done so far?
Yes, ma'am. Now just need to do the one for the fifth star.
Exactly, and that is the special star. Now, you know what the fifth star will do? This star will send the message to flag. That flag, this is your turn, now show up. Okay, it's just like we perform on the stage, right? When our turn is done, what we do, we go to the next contestant and we say, next performer, we say that, come on, go quickly, quickly. My turn is done, it's your turn, right? We do that, yes or no? So the same thing this star will do. Okay, so let's see. Okay,
Excuse me, ma'am.
the code. Yes, dear. Who's this? Yes.
Ma'am, when I clicked on that link, it's opened, but there is only the flag, and I have done the coding on my downloaded Scratch. So now how can I do it?
You will
Okay.
need to import your import this template in your downloaded thing. Okay,
Ma'am,
so that will be
ma'am,
difficult to
please
explain right
show
now.
the wizard. Excuse me, ma'am. Please
Yes.
show the code of wizard.
For the
इसको wizard ही बोलते हैं ना? Wizard, wizard. Codes of wizard.
wizard. Okay. All right. Okay, so please be quick. Okay, Nibodita, you understood, dear?
Ma'am, can you say again?
Yeah, so what you can do, you can simply upload that, right?
How to upload it in
So-
the
Yeah, so as I told yesterday, you saved your file somewhere, no, in the computers?
yes.
Yeah, so just upload there, open the template, right?
Okay.
Okay, you can upload it there.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you go to the 5th star?
Yeah, we'll be doing that in a minute. Okay, so Trejal, I hope this wizard code is done.
Yes, ma'am. He is corrected.
Okay, all right. So now this is for the last star and the special star. So the special star is going to wait for a longer time. Okay. So what we need to do?
Wait for a longer.
Yeah.
उल्टा क्यों आ गया?
अभी देख.
Okay, Trejal, please
उल्टा
mute
क्या
yourself.
पीछा?
Trejal, please mute yourself.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So it is going to hide first, then it will be waiting for more time, right? So this we can figure it out later also for how long it is going to wait. Then it will show up, okay? And then what it will do the same thing for twinkling. We are going to use the same block change color effect by 25, right? And if touching wizard, this will also hide. Now what it will do, this is the time it will send the message to flag, right? Now how to send the message? How to send the message here in Scratch, because the sprite cannot speak, no, right? So it is going to send the signal. This is very important thing. So all of you please pay attention. Rest of the part you can do by your own, right? So this is a new concept. This is called broadcast. Okay, so broadcast is we are sending signal. We are spreading our information to others. Okay, so when we are going to use this,
Excuse me, ma'am.
after
Just 6 seconds. Ma'am, now you are telling about the flag. We need to click flag.
no. This is the star. This is about the final star.
Final star, last. This is
Yes.
last star.
After that, we'll code for the flag.
Okay, fine, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show the 5th star code, ma'am?
This is 5th star only, dear. This is 5th star only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now, as I told you, this 5th star is going to send this signal to the flag. So how it is going to send the signal? It will use broadcast. Okay. And what is the message? It will ask the flag to, this is to flag. Okay. To flag. Right. Okay. So you will understand, this is just to make you understand, this is the signal for the flag. Okay, that's why we named it as flag, to flag, broadcast to flag. Okay, so now it is broadcasting, it is sending the signal to flag, but flag also should receive, no? So just as I gave you the example that you're performing, your job is done. Now you want the other performer to come on the stage. So what will you do? You will ask the performer to go on the stage. It's your turn. But if the performer won't listen, then what will happen? If he won't listen or receive your information, then what will happen? He won't perform, right? So in order to perform, what he has to do, he has to receive that information, that signal, what you are sending. Okay, so let's go to flag now. All right. So the flag, what the flag will do? Flag will use this. This block you'll be getting in control. When I receive message 1, but it was not message 1. What was it? It was to flag. Okay, so it will receive this signal. Okay, when I receive to flag, then what it will do? It will unfurl, right? So let's see how many costumes the flag has. We'll go to costumes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 costumes are there. Okay, so if I change this costume, see, it feels like the flag is unfurling, right? Okay, so what we need to do, we need to change its costume, right? We need to change its costume. Let's see how we can change it. So we need to go in looks. Okay, in looks we'll go next costume.
Excuse
Right?
me, ma'am.
Yes,
I can't find my flag.
you cannot find your flag. You have received that template, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's do one thing. Just code for the flag right now. You have rest of the things also?
Yes. But
Yes.
ma'am, the template, in that template, if I will do, then the thing which I have done in that
Yeah.
before one, so
Mhm.
what I will do with that?
Okay, okay. So what you can do, you can open the flag, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So what you can do, here is the flag. Just
Yes.
right click there and do you see export?
Yes.
Yeah. So you just export all these costumes. Okay. It will be saved. It will be saved in your file and then go back to your file wherever you are working with the rest of the sprites. Understood?
Excuse me,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can find green flag.
You can find green flag, but now we are coding for our tricolor flag. Okay.
No, ma'am, I can't find.
Yeah, you cannot find. So it is there in chat box. Can you see in chat box?
Can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
paint
Mhm.
it the top
In chat
and
box,
the
a
middle
link
with
is
orange
there.
and white?
Yes,
Sorry.
ma'am.
A link is there. You
Ma'am,
have to
how
click
to export all these flags? What
one by
are
one, one by one. Just export.
they? Okay.
Right click. You will get the option export. And in the new file, I mean the file where you're working, you need to get a sprite, right? A plain sprite. Okay, just okay, go in paint, you will get a sprite like this. Okay, so there is nothing in here. Okay,
Yes.
Nibodita. So here what you can do, you can simply import it. Sorry, you can simply upload costume. Do you see at the bottom?
Yes.
Upload costume. So when you click on upload, you will get all the whatever you have exported.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am,
Yes, who is this?
this is Sanvi, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, for fifth star, can you show me the code at last because I didn't change the code.
Okay. So see, okay, I'm giving you a couple of minutes. After that, we'll finish the code for the flag. We'll finish everything. Then I'll take your questions. Okay. Otherwise, we won't be able to finish this. Fine. So just a couple of minutes I'm giving to you.
Ma'am. Yeah, it's just coding.
Okay, ma'am, you can show the flag.
Okay. All right. Let's go to flag. Let's quickly do the rest of the things. So as I told you, the flag has to change.
Ma'am, I by mistakenly deleted the star 6.
Only that star is deleted, right? Hello?
Only that star is deleted.
Ma'am, the link is not working.
Okay, so you can copy that link, open a new tab. Okay, save that link, click that link there, paste that link. and open it, it will work.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that here I have put in it where I am coding all, but it's showing with pink color.
What is in pink color?
Means the flag orange, white and green comes. There is pink, white and brown.
How
And
is
the
this possible?
circle, the wheel is in green color.
How is this possible?
So it might be related to import-export issues. That's why I had said yesterday also, we should use the online version. If we are using the downloaded Scratch 3, it might not work. It might work, it might not work.
Yeah, even I tried the first time because I knew how to do it, so it didn't work. So then I opened the link and did it.
Yes. So Nibodha, you will need to do it online only. Okay. There is no other way.
Okay, sir.
Nibodhita, just forget about the colors right now. Just code for it. Okay. Later on, you can do the same thing in online version. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Mom,
Okay.
Ma'am, I was still coding for the 6 star.
Okay. So what I'll do, I'll finish this for this flag. Then I'll show you rest of the things. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So you all can code for the flag right now, right? So what my flag has to do, the flag has to change the costume, switch the costume, right? So next costume, if you will use,
And
it will
how to copy?
what, how to copy here?
Ma'am, when I open the link,
Mhm. Okay, in a new tab, you know how to get a new tab.
No, you have to right click on the link, right click, and then you have to
Copy it.
click. Then you'll get an option of copy, open a new tab, and then paste it.
Yeah.
ma'am, when I click right, there is a button of select all.
Okay. Do you see the option of copy also?
No, ma'am.
So Alokik, what you can do is, if you have selected the complete link, if you have highlighted the complete link, you can do Control C. Control C is a shortcut for copy. Okay, you do that and then you paste it in a tab.
So Control and C, there are two keys.
Control V for pasting. Control V.
Yeah. So Control and C, there are two different keys. So you have to press it both. Control and C for copying and Control and V for pasting. Okay, all right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now what we need this flag to switch the costume, right? If we will use this once, next costume, so what it will do, it will only change the costume once, right? See, once only. So I want this, please mute yourself, all of you. Please mute yourself. Stay muted. Okay, so as I want my flag to switch the costume again and again, so we are going to use forever. All right, forever. But now the problem is, if I use forever, if I click here, see, it is very fast, right? This is very fast. So what we need to do, we need to slow it down. So for slowing it down, we'll be using this wait. So after every costume, after changing every costume, it will be waiting for some time. And 1 second will be very slow, see. Okay, so we need to reduce this time. So how to reduce, we'll be putting the number in decimals, let's say 0.3. So let's try with 0.3. Yeah, it is working fine, 0.3 is fine. But if you feel like it's still slow, you can reduce more. You can put 0.1 also. Okay, so I'll be using this 0.3.
Ma'am, 0.2 will be fine.
Okay, 0.2 will be also fine, right? Now let's see what happens. Okay, so if I click on the flag, what will happen? My flag is already there. If I start the project, my flag is already there. I don't want that. I want this flag to come later on. So initially what we need to do when we have used this block, when flag is clicked, so it should be hiding by that time. It should be hiding. And when it should show up, only when it receives the signal, then only it should come up on the stage. Okay, so I'll be using this show and this. Okay, getting all of you? So initially we are hiding it, and when it is receiving the signal, then only it will show up and it will change the costume. Fine, now let's test it. Okay, so initially see, the wizard is there. I'm going to okay. Now the problem is, see, flag is also there, wizard is also there. I mean, rest of the stars are also there, and the background is still the bedroom. So we need to change the background also, right? Background should be some open field or something like that. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to code for the backdrop also. Okay. So let's go to the backdrop. Let's check how many backdrop I have. I have this bedroom and I have this blue sky as well. I have taken this blue sky also. Okay, so but of course, only taking this blue sky won't do the job. So we need to code for it. Okay, so let's go to code.
And where did you go to backdrops from?
Backdrop you'll be getting here. Okay, do you see this icon? This is just beside this cat icon where we get this sprite, no? So when you click on that, wow, so many colorful backdrops are there. Okay, so I just got this one, right? So you can pick any. When you click on that, you will be getting that backdrop over here. Okay, but we need to make sure that initially our bedroom is there, and when I want this backdrop to appear, blue sky, when the flag is coming, right? Then only we want this backdrop to appear.
But
so what we need to do?
Ma'am, but when I choose the backdrop, the backdrop comes from where the game where I'm creating. It comes on that square where you have put the bedroom. It comes there, but and then I don't even get any option for backdrops when I do it.
Okay, I'm not getting actually. Where are you?
Ma'am, I'm choosing the backdrop.
Okay, you have taken the backdrop. How many backdrops you have? Just search in the tab how many backdrops you have. You should be having 2.
You see, if you see the screen, the stage part is highlighted right now. It is in blue. So when you click on that stage part, then only you can see the backdrops, what all backdrops you have. At the bottom right, if you see, there is a stage written. It is blue currently.
Yeah, here. Okay, so this backdrop is there right now. The bedroom backdrop is there.
Yeah.
All right, so you can test it from here also. Okay, done?
Yes, ma'am. My done.
Okay, very good. So now we have 2 backdrops, right? So let's code for it. So initially when we are clicking on the flag, we are getting this bedroom, and that's what we wanted. But now we want the other backdrop when the flag is there, right? So how the backdrop will understand that, okay, this is my turn now. So the backdrop also should receive some signal, no, some information that this is my turn. So let's use the same message. Okay, use the same broadcast. Okay, which one?
You want
to flag.
in the code.
Yes.
On which one are you doing the code, the flag or which?
Okay, so I am in backdrop. I am coding for the backdrop. So I'm not in the sprite. I'm coding for the backdrop. So what you need to do, below the stage, there is one small backdrop. You can see one tiny backdrop.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you need to go there and you can code for it. Okay, so we are not in any sprite, we are coding for the backdrop. Okay, so I hope there is no confusion here. All right. Okay, so when flag is clicked, there is bedroom 1. And when I receive 2 flags, then only we are going to switch backdrop. Which one? Blue sky. Understood? Okay, blue sky. Right, now let's test it again. Okay. Come on, fast, fast, fast. Where is the flag? Where is the flag? Where is the special star? There is a star. Okay. All right. So now we got the backdrop, right? That issue is solved. Now there are so many issues. The stars are already there, and see the wizard. The wizard is running away. Okay, the wizard should be standing beside the flag. All right. And these stars shouldn't be there. So what we are going to do, we are sending the same signal to all the stars, and we'll tell the stars, now you need to hide. Your job is done. Okay, understood? So let's go to the star one by one. Okay, so I'll be using the star first, right? Let's make it smaller, and then, okay. So when I receive the same signal, what is that signal? When I receive 2 flags, then what the star will do? The star will, what the star will do? The star will hide.
Hide.
Yes, we want them to hide. So quickly we'll get hide, we'll use this. Okay, and what we'll do, we'll simply use the same code to rest of the sprite. We can copy like this way also. We can save our time, you know, right? Okay, come on, come on. Okay, all right. Okay, let's check it if it is there or not. All right, it's there, see, okay? And it is there. And it's there with this star also, with this star also. Okay, and the star, it's not there. Okay, let's copy it once again.
Flag in all of them, even the 5th one.
Sorry?
Do we have to put when I receive 2 flag and hide in all the stars, even the special star?
Exactly, that special star shouldn't be there because its job is also done, right? So it will also hide, right? And what about the wizard? The wizard should be standing beside the flag, right? So we are going to send this signal to wizard as well. When I receive 2 flags, I'll ask this wizard to, okay, come here and stand here only, right? So this is the, what is this? X and Y. This is the location. This is the address we are giving to the wizard that you have to stand here. Fine. So how to get this? X -82 and Y -107. So we'll be getting in motion. Okay. Go to this. Fine. When I receive 2 flags, he will be standing over here. Okay, and one more thing, since we are changing point in direction of this wizard, sometime it is facing right side, sometime left side. We want when the flag is there, he should always face towards the flag. So we are going to use point in direction 90. All right. So this much we have done. Let's see if it works. If not, then we'll.
When I receive 2 flag, is not going to the star 4. It's not going in star 4.
Okay, so what are you doing? You are just dragging and putting it there?
Yes, ma'am, but it's still not going.
Yeah, sometimes it happens here. It was not happening with the star. Sometimes it happens. It's okay. There is only 2-3 blocks you can write also. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am, but how do I remove it?
So you have to use the same block when I receive 2 flags.
And from where will we get this sare jahan se
Yeah, it is there in the template. It is there in the template. Yes, okay. It is there in the flag. Okay. All right, you sing very well. All right, so let's test it once again. Chalo. Now let's test it. Come on, come on.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do we also have to either the special star?
Yes, we need to add the special star. Otherwise, how we'll get the flag here?
Oh, so we have to.
Now see, the problem is stars are not there. Wizard is there, but wizard is not listening to us. He's still this side, right? So this problem can also occur, right? And sometimes you may also feel that some stars are also there. Okay, so there is a way we can fix it. Okay, so there is a way how to fix this thing. There is a block, you know.
When my fifth star, when I do it, it's when my fifth star does not show in the my fifth star does not show.
Okay, so initially is it there?
Yes, ma'am, I have the fifth star, but it does not show.
Yeah, so because just below the flag, you are not showing it up. You are not using that block show. Okay, just check it. All right, so we, as you see the wizard is not listening to me, right? It is.
To
Ma'am,
This is the fifth star, and we need to initially, okay, initially it is hiding, then we need to show it also. So after some time it will be there.
yeah, ma'am, I did that. Wait 17 seconds, but that still does not show.
Okay, just check your code. Just check your code.
ma'am,
Maybe you are missing out something. Okay, so now see, there is one very important block. This is very, very important block. Okay, you may also encounter the same problem. So we need to fix it. And what is that block we are going to use? And that, yes, who is this?
Sanvi, ma'am.
Yeah, Sanvi.
Ma'am, when I got that flag, ma'am, the
Yeah.
stars are not going away, ma'am. I put the blocks, ma'am, but they're not going away.
Okay, have you used go to random position?
Yes, ma'am.
Going away means it is not hiding.
Yeah, it's not
touching the
hiding.
Okay, so we have to use this, no? When I receive to flag, it should hide.
Ma'am, but I used that block also, ma'am. It's not working.
So what is happening? The wizard is touching the star and star is still there.
Yeah. All stars are still there.
Okay, so you might have not done this, bitter. Broadcast. What about the broadcast? You have used this signal broadcast?
Fifth star only, ma'am? Or every star?
No, only fifth star, last star.
Yes,
Will
ma'am.
broadcast. Yeah, will broadcast this. Okay, and this star will also receive. When I receive to flag, it will hide.
ma'am,
Here I am taking my flag. So that flag is the sprite name is star 4.
Fine, that is not an issue. That is not an issue. You can name it whatever you want to from here. You can change the name.
Can you go back to this backdrop code? I just need to see it. One more.
Backdrop is very easy. See, there is only one code so far. When flag is clicked, when initially we are starting, it should be bedroom. And when it is receiving this signal, it should be blue sky.
1 second, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay.
the star 5 which we are showing. Yes,
Sorry?
ma'am.
Yeah.
It's so
And ma'am, can you go back the code to for flag? I just want to see something.
Okay, I'll be showing. Just a minute. Okay, we need to be quick. We are only left with 10 minutes and we have to finish it today. Okay, so I hope it is done, Trijal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and this star will also receive and hide. Okay, this is the code for the flag. It is also very easy. This flag will hide initially, and when it will receive the signal, it will show up, and inside forever it will switch the costume. Next costume, next
Ma'am,
costume.
please show for 1 second the star 5 code. 2 minutes wait karo.
Okay, please mute yourself.
Ma'am, I suggest that we first finish the thing and then we'll show the code, because this way we won't be able to finish it. Okay. So a request to everyone that please wait for 5 or 10 more minutes. We'll finish the code and then we'll show it to everyone. Okay. We can't keep showing the code again and again because there are many kids, right? So let's finish it and then we'll show the code of each and every sprite one by one.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, all right. So fine, I'll go back. As I told you that yes, we need to add one more code so that this problem won't occur, right? Everything should stop when the flag is there, right? So what we need to do, there is a block. Just be careful here, right? There is a block, stop all, right? So we are not going to stop everything here. We are going to use, if you click on this drop down button, there are 2 more options, stop other scripts in sprite. So why we need to use this? So that whatever the star is doing, okay, it is going to random position or changing color, it should stop, right? So if we'll use this, when I receive to flag, it should hide and stop other scripts in sprite. So what will happen? This script will be stopped. Okay, so this star won't be there, right? Won't be doing anything else. The same thing we are going to use with rest of the stars. Okay, stop other scripts in sprite, right? When you click on this drop down button, you will get this option, other scripts. So we want to stop only this script, this other script which is running parallelly. Okay.
We have to do this in all of them.
In all of them. Okay, just like, okay, there is one more. All right, so for all of them, we have to do this. Stop other scripts in sprite. Okay, for this star also. Okay, and for wizard as well, so that the wizard will stop rest of the actions and it will only do this. All right. Now let's go back to flag, and what we need to do, flag should be singing a song. Okay, so there is one more duty to this flag. So that the flag will also receive this to flag. Okay, the same signal we are sending to everybody. Once again, it will receive and will go to sound and will use this play sound Sare Jahan Se Acha, the most awaited thing actually. Okay, one of the kid was singing. So play sound, and after that, everything will be stopped. Okay, stop all. Stop all we are using only with the flag.
Ma'am, where can we find this Sare Gahan Se Acha?
Beta, it's there in flag only. When you go in sound, no, sound category. It is there. Play sound Sare Jahan Se Acha. It is along with the template. Okay, so it is along with the template. When you go in sound category, just use this block, play sound until done. And when you have to use, when you are receiving that signal, when I receive to flag. And after that, just don't forget to add the stop all. Okay, now let's test the final time, right?
Ma'am,
All right.
ma'am, I have the sound Jana Gana Mana.
Whatever you want, you can use, dear. It's not an issue, right?
No, I have Use the sound Jana Gana Mana.
If you want, you can use that also.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can download it, right? I have also downloaded. You can download it from the internet and you can use any sound. Now this is the final time we are testing. Let's see.
Can you share the template of this?
Okay. Yes. So
Can
now
anyone share the whole thing in a
Whole-
link?
whole thing will not be shared here. Whole thing we can share in YouTube. Okay.
So we will be uploading the recording of both of the sessions. So you
Yeah.
and you can go to our YouTube channel. We'll do it mostly by tomorrow. So you can go and check it there. We'll send an email also.